All right, today we're going to take a look at this portable work stand. Supposedly it can support up to 200 pounds capacity. We're going to go ahead and get this thing assembled and check it out. All right, so here's the instruction sheet. It tells us what we need to do here. So first thing we're going to start with is we're going to take these rods. We're going to put the ends on these rods and go from there. All right, so up on inspecting the rods, one of these needs to be punched out. So I'm going to have to punch that out. But these are the little feet. You put them on there. So I put them on there and I just knocked them down. So those are on there. We got all four. But I'm going to go ahead and punch this out right now and get this hole opened up. Okay, so I've got a 1/4 drill bit here. I'm going to use this to try to drill it out. Done. Now, should you have to drill this out? No, but it is what it is. I don't feel like taking it back to the store to get another one. So let's move on. So in order to put these sleeves on, you just take the sleeve, slide it on this way, and work it in. And then the sleeve will be in place, and we can start the assembly of the rest. Okay, first thing, I'm gonna take this, put this in here, and I'm gonna get these secured. Okay, then we're gonna put a washer over it. And we're gonna put a bolt. So there we have. Place this through, washer bolt. Okay, these instructions are pretty bad, so we'll make it work. Okay, for this one, I'm gonna put a bolt on first, and then I'm gonna put one after it. Same thing for the other side. Now that that's in place, next we're gonna go ahead pick side you want to stagger, and then go ahead and put this bolt in here. Place it in there. Get your big guy, and then get your locking washer. Put that here. We'll do the reverse steps over here. Let's put it there. Okay. So there you have it. But definitely got to get these tightened up. All right, let's get everything tightened up. So I got 2 10s, and we're gonna go ahead and lock them down. Okay, we got everything tightened up. Looks good. Hopefully it does the job. Got a couple extra parts here. So from a capacity standpoint, it says that this thing can support up to 200 pounds. Apart from the shaking of the actual unit, it looks like it's doing just that. Okay, I'm not quite 200 pounds, but it is actually supporting very well. So there you have it. It's doing its job. All right, so it's set up. You can see instructions are not that great. It's gonna work. It's gonna do the job it needs to do. This is kind of what you'd use this for. Got this bumper here that's gonna go on the Titan. And you can see from this, it's gonna hold that up just fine. So product works. Weight support's good. It's gonna do the job. I was able to pick this thing up for under 25 bucks from Harbor Freight. So there you have it. Hope this video was helpful. And catch you guys on the next one.